This meeting is being recorded.
For problem 28 from chapter 5, we are asked to determine if these following compounds, which are allenes, right? They have two carbon-carbon double bonds adjacent to one another, will be chiral or achiral. So if you recall, if the compound, we determine it to have a plane of symmetry, even though there's some restriction due to those bonds, we can still find the compound to be achiral. So that's what we're going to be looking for here, that plane of symmetry. So let's take a look at compound A, and we see on this side we have two different groups. Over here we have two of the same group, two methyl groups on the right-hand side. But in order for this compound to be chiral, the two groups on the right would also have to be different. So due to that fact, we could find a plane of symmetry in this compound, and therefore this is achiral. This would not be chiral here. Let's take a look at compound B. So we have two different groups over here. We have two different groups over here. We have a methyl and a hydrogen on both sides. And then we have a methyl and a hydrogen on the left, and then we have an ethyl and a hydrogen on the right. So therefore, we have no plane of symmetry. And that would tell us that this would be a chiral compound. Let's take a look at compound C here. So we have two different groups over here, but if we were to travel around this cyclopentane ring either way, it is technically the same, right? It would have a plane of symmetry because of this in this compound. So since we don't have those two different groups on the left-hand side, this would also be an achiral compound here. And then for D, we have two different groups. Definitely over here, we have a hydrogen and a methyl. On this side, we also have two different groups because we encounter different types of carbons as we go around the ring in different directions here. So because of asymmetry imparted by the position of this double bond in our ring, this is also a chiral compound here. So we have two achiral, A and C, and then we had two chiral, B and D.